Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video we will talk about what is inverter and the basic principle. What is inverter? An inverter is an electronic device that converts direct current (DC) power to alternating current (AC) power. This is done by first converting the DC input to a high-frequency AC signal, and then using circuitry to convert the signal to a lower-frequency AC output that can be used by household or industrial appliances. Inverters are commonly used in solar power systems, uninterruptible power supplies (UPS), and in electric vehicle powertrains. Inverter basic principle. The basic principle behind the operation of an inverter is the use of pulse width modulation (PWM). PWM involves turning the DC input on and off at a very high frequency, typically tens or hundreds of kilohertz. By adjusting the width of the on-time, duty cycle, of the pulses, the average voltage and current can be controlled, allowing the output voltage and frequency to be adjusted as required. The inverter typically consists of several components, including input stage. This stage is responsible for converting the DC input to a high-frequency AC signal using an oscillator circuit. This circuit generates a square wave output signal that switches the DC voltage on and off rapidly. Output stage. This stage takes the high-frequency AC signal and converts it to a lower-frequency AC signal that can be used by appliances. This is done using a transformer and filter circuitry that removes any high-frequency noise. Control circuitry. This circuitry is responsible for controlling the output frequency and voltage. It measures the output voltage and adjusts the duty cycle of the input signal to maintain the desired output voltage. There are two main types of inverters. Pure sine wave inverters. These produce a clean, pure sine wave output that is similar to the AC power from the grid. They are more expensive than modified sine wave inverters but are preferred for sensitive electronic equipment. Modified sine wave inverters. These produce an output that is a stepped approximation of a sine wave. They are cheaper than pure sine wave inverters but can cause issues with some appliances, particularly those with sensitive electronics. In conclusion, inverters are electronic devices that convert DC power to AC power by using pulse width modulation to adjust the output voltage and frequency. They are commonly used in solar power systems, UPS, and electric vehicle powertrains, and come in two main types, pure sine wave and modified sine wave inverters. Overall, inverters play a critical role in a wide range of applications, enabling the use of DC power sources to power AC devices. With the continued growth of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, inverters will likely become even more important in the years ahead.